Hours of friendly competition, the game of bocce ball has been a classic favorite among sports enthusiasts for years. This complete bocce kit with 8 balls, a Pallino, a measuring tape, and carrying case is all you need to get the good times rolling. Take it anywhere. With a durable, water-resistant storage bag, this compact, lightweight set can be in tow for any get-together. Whether going to a barbecue, festival, beach, park, frat party, or birthday party, our travel bocce game is the perfect accessory. Easy to learn. If you've never played bocce yard ball, it's quite easy to learn. While it requires some skill and practice, it's a great way to enjoy time with friends and adds a fun element to any party. Even your kids will pick it up pretty quickly. Carrying case logo. The logo on your carrying case may vary due to branding transition. Don't worry, you are still getting the same great quality bocce ball set, but your bag might say Day 1 Sports or it could have the Rally and Roar brand. The perfect gift set. Trying to come up with a clever and unique gift for someone? This bocce field game is a great option for people that love games and sports. Gifted for birthdays, housewarmings, graduations, weddings, Father's Day, or Christmas. Top reviews from the United States. Heavy, durable quality balls. We had a bocce ball set for years that was given to us as a gift. We loved it and enjoyed playing with family and friends. One of the balls was left at a campsite, so we bought a new set a year ago. We didn't realize that there are different sets with different weights for the balls. The set we purchased last year were very light and hard to get the distance needed to play. They were horrible. This new set is heavier and exactly what we wanted. Our family is now enjoying bocce once again and it is used often. This is the perfect set for any age or strength to play with. Heavy enough to get the distance needed and to knock your opponent's balls further away.